So, let's have a look at a quiz. And let's start off. Hea te kupu Māori, and this is from the app, Quiz 1 of Module 2 app. Hea te kupu Māori, more brother of a female. Okay, type your answer. What is it? What is it? What is it? Tungane. Sister of a male is Tuahine. Okay, I'll give you a minute to figure out the answer. Younger sibling of the same gender. And let's push on. Tina. Here's the next one. Older sibling of the same gender, but plural. Okay? Plural. Now, can you remember what it is? Well, it's definitely not Taina, because that's... Oh, I don't want to give you the answer for that. It is Tuakana, with a macron. Nephew or niece. Now, this might be a hard one. I think I mentioned it earlier. Iramutu. Parents. Now, this is another trick one, because it's got macron, because it's plural, right? Remember I said earlier, te matua, the parent, ngā mātua, the parents. So the answer is mātua. Grandchildren, well, this would be an easy one. Mokopuna. Brother-in-law. This is not a widely known one. Starts with T. And they've all started with T. And starts with T-A. Taukete. Last born child. Okay, let's check it out. It's not Mokopuna, because that's grandchild. It's not Mātāmua, because that's firstborn child. It's not Tamaiti, because that means child. Must be Pōtiki. And the last one, firstborn child. What is it? Is it Pōtiki? No, that's lastborn tuakana. No, it's not Taina. It must be Mātāmua. Now let's have a look at our answers. Yeah, Tokare. We are the champions.